This is Jimmy with Chevy Unit. Today I have here William Johnson or Chilly Willi's. Okay, first things first, we're going to start with the outside. This is your 50 amp outlet. This is your 25 feet 50 amp adapter that can easily connect to your generator, which will be included with the trailer, as well as you will have a 50 amp adapter that can easily connect to a regular extension and to a building. As we head on to the left, this will be your generator. This is where you connect your plug. This is your electric jack. Turn it on in order to move it up and down. On this side of the wall, we got the breaker panel. You got number 1, number 3, your main. Number 5A is your cold prep table. Number 5B is your interior lights. 7A is your outlet number 1. 7B is your exterior lights. Number 9A is your refrigerator and your outlet number 2. Number 9B is your AC fan. 11A is your water pump. 11B is your water heater. Number 2A is your porch light. Number 2B is your exterior lights. 4A is your food warmer. 6A is your outlet number 5. 6B is your extractor. Number 8A is your hood lights. Number 8B is your oven. Number 10A is your gas detector and outlet number 4. You got your wash station. You got your wash, your rinse, your sanitation. You got your wash hands only. You got your paper dispenser, soap dispenser. You got your water pump and your water switch to the right, as well as to the top. You got your wash shelves. To the plumbing section, as we head down here, you got your 30-gallon portable water tank. This is your cleaning port, easy in access to just twist, throw in the chemical, so that way you're able to clean your potable water tank. Okay, so as we head further to the right, you got your 2 little buckets. You got your detergent and you got your sanitizer. You got your pipe drain, you got your water pump, and you got your water heater, as well as you got this compartment for your sprayer water hose to clean the flooring. You got your nozzle and you got your sprayer hose. Okay, onto the water waste. This is your valve. All you want to do is twist, open the valve, and water will instantly start rushing out. Okay, so this first appliance is your water heater proofer. First things you want to do is just turn on the power, turn on the heat, or just proofing, and just set the temperature to how you please. Onto the propane. Right here you have your 200 propane tanks, which are regulators. At this moment we're testing it out with our own propane tank and the regulator. This right here is your gas ball valve. In order to let the gas flow in, when it's in a vertical position it's open. When it's horizontal, that means it's closed. So right now we're going to keep it open and test a few appliances. Okay, onto the second appliance, we will turn on the oven valve, which is the first one. Now that we have gas flowing in, up here you got your 4 burner. What you want to do is turn on the pilot. There you go. Once the pilot is on, turn the knob. Okay, onto the oven part. You want to lift this and bring it down. Up here, you got this knob that you want to push in. Just keep pressing it for about a minute or 2. Okay, so once you press the knob for like a minute or 2, pumping it, all you want to do is hold it down with the lighter, turn on your pilot. Once you turn on the pilot, release your thumb from it after 30 seconds. The flame will stay on, and from there you can just adjust the temperature and you're set. Okay, onto the third appliance, we have the steam table. All you want to do is turn on the valve on, release the gas a little bit, and down here you will have your pilot. All you want to do is lift that up, and you're set. From there on, you can just adjust the temperature how you please, and you're set. Okay, so this is your gas ball valve. Right now it's in the open position for your oven, and to the left, that outlet with the cord is for your footstep pedal in order to rotate. Onto the oven side, you want to make sure that the oven breaker is on, which is number 8B. You want to open the doors, feel the temperature. Okay, so this is your main, this is your burner, this is your rack, and this is your fan, and this is your evacuator for your extractor. You press this and your extractor starts releasing all the fumes that's within the oven. And this is your temperature adjuster. At the moment we have it at 250. And this below is your step. You want to hold this when you open the oven, this stops moving, but if you step on this, okay, right here we got your 5-pointer fire suppression system connected all throughout the husband. Over here to the right, you will have your pull handle in case of a fire. So, starting off, you got your refrigerator. As we keep going forward, you got your utensil drawer, easy access for your basic needs, your under counter, your stainless steel table, your first aid kit. As we head down further, you got your cold prep table. This door compartment will be your safety exit hatch. Okay, so on this back side you have 2 double doors. This will be your entry for your barbecue pit area. This side is your other entry latch to the barbecue pit area. Just open it like that. And the double doors.